Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be on how to use Flipp. So I'm showing you today with a desktop version. I actually prefer my phone and the app version, but for the sake of this video, I think you'll still understand what I'm trying to say. So first you log on to flipp.com, or you go to flipp.com and you enter your postal code and press start saving. Once it opens up, you'll see that this is what it looks like. Based on the postal code you have here, it's going to give you stores nearby and different categories on the side. You can still search a specific flyer. You can scroll down this way. You can really do whatever you want. But I'm going to just show you based on what I do, going to my two favorite stores. So Food Basics, and then I'll do No Frills after. And if there's time, I will also do Terra. So when I go on Food Basics, you can look at it as items, and I personally don't like to look at it like this. I don't know. I don't like the item view. I personally like looking at the flyer. And then when you look at the flyer, I'm going to show you how to make a shopping list, okay? For now, let's zoom in. Go all the way over. And now you'll see Food Basics is the flyer. When does it start? So fun fact, most flyers start on Thursday, and on Wednesdays you get to see the flyer that was for last week and then the new flyer for this week. So it'll be like Food Basics and soon. Food Basics starts tomorrow, or preview starts tomorrow. So I'm just going to go through a few different things and what I think and what the prices are and stuff like that. So there's boneless pork loin, $1.97. You can probably get that a little bit cheaper at the Asian store, Terra, but that's a pretty good price. Same thing with the turkey. Again, I guess I should make a disclaimer. This is just my opinion, by the way. Seedless grapes. We're gonna just highlight this for a second. I'm gonna show you something, okay? So if you want to add something to your shopping list, you're gonna clip the item. So I'm clipping it, and then it's gonna do a circle around it. So let's just say I was going to buy this, but I'm not, but just say. I've actually cut off seedless grapes from my shopping list because it takes way too much work to prep it, like clean it, take it off the stems, and actually eat it. I notice that I either buy it and don't get it ready, or I buy it, prep it, and don't eat it in time. Potatoes, a 10-pound bag of potatoes for $1.88 is a steal. And VJ always says you can buy 2 bags and that potatoes don't go bad so long as you store it properly. $1.88 for peppers is actually like stupid. So this one is showing just one picture, but all of these items are on sale. It's showing just this picture. These are what's included. So you'll see like a 4-pack of peppers for $1.88 is less than less than 50 cents a pepper. Same thing with the green peppers. You can get fruit, like frozen fruit for $2.97, orange juice for $2.97. Make sure you're always checking the quantity, because sometimes a picture looks way bigger. Like, for example, we buy mayo to make like different things, and sometimes I'll be like, oh, that's a steal. But then you go to the store and it's like the mini version of the bottle. So you have to make sure to look at the prices. Eggs, $2.97 for an 18-pack is a steal. I'm actually just going to get my calculator. $2.97 divided by 18. That works out to be 16 cents an egg, 17 cents. This is a 8-pound bag of basmati rice, $4.97. Usually it's 10-pound bags, so be careful. 88 cents for tomato sauce, chickpeas, and beans. That's a steal. And like this stuff is non-perishable, usually doesn't go bad, so we always stock up if it goes on sale. There's milk, coffee. My mom uses this. That's actually a pretty good price. Assuming that the quantity, it is the right quantity, because we ran out one time and we needed to buy it and it was like $6.97 and I'm like, what the hell? But you can get it for as cheap as $3.77. So if you know it's something that you're going to eat regularly, then you might as well buy it when it's on sale. There's also Uncle Ben's rice for people who, are looking for a quick diet idea. Pineapple slices if you're going to make upside down pineapple cake. Croissants, 99 cents. Just different things. So I'm just not going to go through everything, but you just get a general idea. But like say I was like, okay, I want peanut butter. Clip the item. Check the size, 500 grams, etc. And if it says selected varieties and I clip this, I could go to I can go to Price Match at Walmart or Freshco or No Frills and be like, hey, you know, Food Basics has Jif on sale, and you can show them your app with this item clipped, and then they will confirm and they'll give you the discount. Then there's like frozen foods, Gatorade, coffee, stuff like that, paper towel, shampoo, produce. So 3 for $5 for mushrooms is actually pretty bomb. Avocado is pretty good, $2.98 for a bag. My only issue with avocado and buying a bag is that yes, you get the best bang for buck, but by the time you actually get one avocado being ripe, it's like everything is ripe at the same time and it's shit. Romaine lettuce, $3, so $1 for a bundle of romaine lettuce. Grape tomatoes for $1.98. I used to not like buying grape tomatoes, but honestly, it makes it easier to make sandwiches and it's not as daunting as washing a full tomato, putting it back. I have been buying bags of lemons, and it seems that $3.88 is about the price that you pay. They also have organic items, like 88 cents for bananas is only like, regularly it's 57 cents, so you're only paying about 30 cents more-ish, and then, you know, you're getting it. There's also flowers that they have there. Also, I should mention they have like a promo right now called Wowza, and if you tag them in one of your posts after you go grocery shopping, I will find out the details. You can be entered to win a $100 gift card. So chicken leg quarters, $1.99 a pound. Not bad. Again, this is just my opinion. I don't always buy everything on the list. I do buy tortillas. $1.99 is not bad. It's Selection, which is the Food Basics brand. Some people don't like to buy no name. Some people do. Like Selection water bottles. I would buy this if I needed water bottles for when I'm on the go. Regularly, I use my water filter and my Canuck water bottle. Pizza, I usually do buy 1 or 2 just to make sure we have in the freezer in case we're ever hungry. Because yes, it's $2.97 and it's processed, but it's still cheaper and faster than going and buying pizza from Pizza Pizza. Mixed vegetables. Again, this is all like Selection brand. And honestly, I don't think that there's anything wrong with no name brand. I think that I remember learning in school that most like brand name companies also have a like no name product that they're building in the same exact building. It's just called a different name with different labels. Again, and I also haven't died yet. So this tuna is 88 cents, but I'm pretty sure it's a tiny, tiny tuna. 99 grams, 3.5 ounces. That's not bad. Again, you're only going to learn by going to the store and doing it, you know, more often than not. One of the ways to get like extra flavoring is by using stock, like beef stock cubes, but I know that they're very processed, so you want to be careful. But if you're making like a quinoa or something, adding half a stock is not bad. And then onions, 3 for $5. Is that onions or pomegranate? Pomegranate, my bad. Also annoying to eat, but still good. And then that's it. So those are the items. And say like I clipped 2 items. I clipped the seedless grapes and I clipped something random. The peanut butter. I would go here and you'd see on my list what I have. Okay? But now for fun, we're going to go to No Frills. And we're going to see if there's anything that was at both stores and what's cheaper. And would you look at that? I'm like thinking, yay, we got seedless grapes for such a good price, right? $1.97. Well, did we? Did we really? Hold on. So red seedless grapes, 97 cents a pound. I just saw it at Food Basics for $1.97 and thought it was a sale and amazing, so I had to get it. But remember that it's all marketing terminology, right? Like someone can say Boxing Day sale, 75% off. But if they increase the price by a significant amount and just brought it down to regular price with this discount, then you're just getting gypped off. It's the same price. So you have to be aware. 97 cents a pound for the turkey. I'm pretty sure we saw $1.97 at Food Basics. Butter for $2.97 is a steal, and that doesn't go bad. I'll clip it so you guys can see. Salted butter. I always, when I get butter or any type of thing with salt, is try to get unsalted, and you can add your own flavor or salt. Brussels sprouts or selected vegetables, $1.97 if you're lazy and want to be on a diet and like just put those in the oven and roast it. Tilda basmati rice. This is actually a really good deal because it's a 10-pound bag for $9.97. And this is a really, really, really good brand of basmati rice, and we use that. And we usually stock up when it's that cheap. It can be anywhere upwards from $15. Soups are on sale, 47 cents each. But you'll notice there's a fine print. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday only. Yeah, I'm just going to keep going. 97 cents a pound. So again, when you have like something that's 97 cents a pound, and then you have something else that's like $1.88 for a pack of 4, you would have to take 4 of these, put it on the scale, and see how much it is. If it's 2 pounds, then you're paying $2. Technically, Food Basics is cheaper. But if for some reason these 4 peppers are only weighing a pound, then technically get these 4 peppers over the pack of 4 that weighs $1. I mean, that it costs $1.88, if that makes sense. And if you have any questions, let me know. Oranges for 97 cents for fresh orange juice in the morning, or for vodka orange juice. I think they're called screwdrivers. Again, lemons for 57 cents each, depending on how much was in the pack at Food Basics. If it's cheaper to get like 4 individuals, because that's all you need, then do that versus spending $4 and getting 8, and you don't need 8. Yeah, so that's just a high level. Honey glazed, I mean, this is a ham. It's really easy to make a ham or honey glazed ham in the oven. And I'm going to try to do a video on that for Thanksgiving next month. There's juice for $1. I think all of these things are $1. Yeah, they are $1, etc. Lady fingers, do you guys remember that? And what else do we have? Anyways, I'm just going to do a high level, like Miracle Whip. This is what I mean. This is the regular size, 890 milliliters. But sometimes you'll see like a dinky little bottle and it'll be like $1.97. And you're like, yeah, that's a steal. It's not a steal. Breton crackers, these are fire. Amazing. Like, so good. Have 4 crackers. I think they're 90 calories with like some deli meat. And you're going to be one step closer to getting your protein. It's not too high in carbs. And, you know, life is good. Greek yogurt for $4.97, Eggo waffles, etc., etc. Taco salsa, $2.97. This is a big one too, so that's really good bang for buck. There's some more tunas. Tuna. I buy this oatmeal, but I usually get it for $1.97. $2.47 is a little expensive. What else? Garlic, 3-pack, always on sale, 47 cents at No Frills. Pomegranate. A 10-pound bag of red onions for $4.97 is a steal, FYI. I love cilantro. You can make fresh pico de gala. You can make fresh guacamole. Coconut for 97 cents. Eggplant for 97 cents. And going forward, I'm giving you a high-level look right now, but when I actually do my grocery shopping, I will try to do a video. This is not bad. $9.97 for an 18-inch roast pan. However, space is limited in our house, so we're not going to buy anything like this, but I'm so easily persuaded by things like this. And yeah, that's a high-level overview. Eggs, $3.97. Sugar, $1.47. Boursin and cheese, which is amazing, $5. And that's about it. So let's go back to the shopping list. So I just did the grapes, right? So $1.67 and 97 cents, right? And then say you wanted to find something like there's turkey both at Food Basics and No Frills. So here it says Walmart has turkey for $1.97, and here it says Food Basics has turkey for $1.47, and here it says No Frills has turkey for 97 cents, right? Or something, let's do something like weird. I'm looking for a dry erase board, and it tells me all the different places that have a sale. There's a $19.99 one at Bed Bath & Beyond, who always has 20% off coupons. There's some at Walmart, there's some at Staples, etc., etc. So that is, let's see what else we can find. How to look at flyers. Nope. You can even find coupons on here, if they have any. Harvey's has coupons, it shows you here. What else can I find? What else? Popeyes? No. McDonald's? No. Let's do Terra. So those are the 3 main stores I would go to, but I'll show you. So Terra's flyer is just literally 1 page, and it's like a piece of paper. Let's see if I can go through. So they have cooked foods too, and their flyer is kind of hard to see, so let's just zoom in and go down. Most of these stuff I don't buy. But if you wanted to buy filet, fish, these are fresh. By the way, I'm just going to go down first and then I'll go back up. So this is our fresh food, fried rice, chicken dumplings, stuff like that. I'm literally looking at this at the same time as you. So they have bread, $1.99, regular price is $2.99, which is still pretty cheap. But normally I wouldn't buy bread from Terra. I'd buy bread from like a normal store. I buy like produce, fish, meat from these stores because I know I can always price match this. You know what I mean? If it's there and it's on sale, sure. But most times we buy produce and stuff at Terra first. Then we'll go to the stores with the flyers. And anything that we can't find, we'll buy at the last store. So eggplant was cheaper at No Frills than it is at Terra. So that's what I mean when I say that we'll go through the flyers first, but our first store will always be Terra because anything we can't find at Terra, we can buy at any of these other stores, right? If for some reason we're like the quality is not good or this or that. But you'll see like radish is 38 cents, long sweet red pepper, which I think is in season, is 88 cents. Papaya, 98 cents a pound, which is really good. Dragon fruit, pineapple, green tea, Kit Kat, ew. And yeah, what else? Fresh pork spare rib, $1.99. Chicken drumstick, 99 cents a pound. And that's about it. Okay, so that concludes this video. This is how you use Flipp. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are going to use Flipp this weekend, let me know. Oh, one more thing I want to say is when the best time is to go grocery shopping. And I think going on a weekend when it's like crazy busy is definitely hard because you might be missing out on good deals. Like it might be sold out or something. But at the same time, if that's the only time you can go, I would try to go first thing in the morning. If not, I would go like on Thursday when the flyers just come out, or I would try to go Monday afternoon or Tuesday morning when the stores are restocked from the weekend. Wednesdays are always good too, but the new flyer comes out on Thursday. Cheese for $3.58 is pretty cheap. Vegetable oil, $2.88, like that's a steal. But you'll notice that Food Basics, the same brand, but it was sunflower oil, was like $6.99. So if you're not picky about your oil, you can get something for significantly cheaper. But yeah, high level. I just wanted to show you guys like a brief flyer. Like this is technically 12 cents cheaper than No Frills, the Breton crackers, for 13 cents. So there's flyers everywhere. You guys can take a look, see what you like, see what works for you. You're only going to get better by doing it. So you might as well start and see what happens. And that's all.